Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Bermuda. I just got off the Norwegian gem and I am standing in front of the Royal Navy dockyards, and this video is going to be about the city of Hamilton here in Bermuda. I think it's the capital of Bermuda. It's the largest city here, and we're going to take a bus tour over there. I'm not going to show you that bus tour. That's going to be a separate video, but we are going to check out the entire city of Hamilton, or at least the main parts of it as far as tourists are concerned. Come along with me. Let's check it out. As I mentioned earlier, I took a bus tour during my day-long visit here to Bermuda, and it took me to many areas of the island. This was one of the stops, Hamilton, which is the capital of Bermuda. That video of the bus tour is a separate video here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. In the meantime, he was telling us all about the capital here, so let's listen in for a moment.
Hamilton. So this is the main street. So this is Hamilton, the city of Hamilton here. It runs 7 blocks going that way and 4 across. It's a small city, but it's the biggest city in Bermuda. Just about everything's in Hamilton. You got the Supreme Court up there where the clock is on the right. This great building here on the right is the session house where the politicians make the laws. Over on the left, this is building here. This is with the smaller cruise ship dock right here. Everybody comes walking off right onto the main street, and then they up here. The ship's too big here it'll hit bottom. It's 27 feet in there.
There are lots of motorcycles in Bermuda, especially here in the capital of Hamilton. While Hamilton is the capital and financial center of Bermuda, its population is only 854, one of the smallest capital cities in the world. The history of Hamilton as a British city began in 1790 when the government of Bermuda set aside 145 acres for its future seat, officially incorporated in 1793 by an act of Parliament and named for Governor Henry Hamilton. Hamilton has been the political and military heart of Bermuda ever since then. In 1975, Queen Elizabeth II made a visit to the city hall that was being constructed here along with Prince Philip in the course of a world tour they were on, just to check out the construction of the brand new city hall that they were building. Can you imagine the panic? Talk about cleaning up for visitors. The narrow streets are filled with quaint little shops. We'll stop in one in a moment, and cafes, sidewalk cafes as well, and restaurants. And we're also going to check out the Queen Elizabeth Park, beautiful park here in Hamilton. You guys know I pick up a refrigerator magnet everywhere I go, and on this particular trip on the Norwegian Gem, I must have picked up 6 or 7. Someday I'll post a picture of my refrigerator in the community room here on the New York channel. It's about to fall over. You guys know I love my parks, and no matter where I am, if there's one close by, I am going to check it out. This is the Queen Elizabeth Park. I think parks are like nature's drug. It just lowers your blood pressure, clears your head. I just love them. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Let me tell you something, there is no shortage of rum anywhere in the Caribbean Isles, including the ship that I'm on. Drank lots of rum. It seems to be the base for most of the cocktails here. And you know what? That's fine with me. The number of motorcycles is incredible in this town, and I think it's a great idea. It's a great way to get around. I think if I lived in Bermuda, I'd have a motorcycle, and a yacht, and a helicopter. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Apparently, Hamilton's big on mosaics, and they're all beautiful. The driver on the tour bus told me that this was the only fast food restaurant on the entire island of Bermuda. Not that I asked, I think he just looked at me and assumed I was curious. Stay tuned, lots more cruise videos coming up on the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.